this canal has been neglected over the years, has been polluted over the years, and it's designated a superfund site. All right, we're getting ready to go onto this really cool tunnel. You know, the water right here looks pretty nice. It's less stagnant. Hey guys, this is Matt with 2 Feet Outdoors YouTube channel, and today we are at the Gowanus Dredgers Canoe Club, and we're canoeing the Gowanus Canal. It's a beautiful day, and it's going to be an amazing adventure. All right, and we're paddling. All right, guys, I just want to show you, this is the Gowanus Dredgers boat launch. Right here to the right side of me. They have their own boat launch here. The Gowanus Dredgers are a community organization. They organize cleanups. They host different types of events, and they also host canoeing events here on the Gowanus Canal. So today, here on 2 Feet Outdoors, we have a special guest sitting right in front of me. This is Kelsey paddling in front of me. Kelsey's my girlfriend, and she helps a lot with the channel. And so yeah, when you're watching 2 Feet Outdoors, I know mostly you see me, but Kelsey's in the background helping out, doing an amazing job. So she's here today canoeing with me on the Gowanus Canal. Isn't that amazing? So in my previous video, Newtown Creek, I mentioned that I wanted to canoe or kayak the Gowanus Canal. And I found this community event today where we could do a self-guided canoe trip on the Gowanus Canal through the Gowanus Dredgers. So I want to thank the Gowanus Dredgers for allowing us to use their canoe today and their launch. If you guys remember, I came here previously and had difficulty finding a spot to launch my kayak. So we're happy to be here today. It's going to be a fun experience, and it's a beautiful day.
There's definitely an odor.
Yeah? Yeah, I can smell it a little bit. Kelsey's just pointing out that there's a little bit of an odor in the water. And, you know, I can smell it a little bit. There's some floating debris in the water. And the water is very, very hazy. And just above us here is the Brooklyn-Queens Expressway. And we got a really fun tunnel that we're going to paddle under in a few minutes. We have some barges on the right-hand side. Looks like a bunch of like gravel. And definitely some noticeable construction noise or machinery. And to our left, there's another couple that came out today to canoe here on the Gowanus Canal. Hey guys! All right, we're getting ready to go onto this really cool tunnel. We'll just cruise through here nice and slow. We, hold on a second. we just ran into a little pipe that's under the water here. So let me see if I can move us over. I wasn't expecting that. I can see it, just sit tight. Actually, just push off that wall a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna push us this way. I think we're over it. All right, yeah, I wasn't expecting that. It was like a big pipe, you see it? On the right? So yeah, we'll try to avoid that on the way back. What's that? Yeah. So yeah, I had a lot of comments on my Newtown Creek video. People said that I should rethink canoeing or kayaking on the Gowanus Canal, and here we are today. We're doing it. We're doing it. The Gowanus dredgers, they do it all the time, and they're an amazing organization, so we wanted to take advantage of this opportunity. Up ahead of us is 9th Street, and that's where we're going to need to turn around. But yeah, we're just going to cruise nice and slow along the canal here and take it all in. On the right side of us, on the canal here, is a Lowe's store. Lowe's Home Improvement. And I'm noticing on the top of the water, like a film that kind of looks a little oily, or like fuel of some sort. I don't know exactly what it is, but you can kind of see it in the water for sure. So Kelsey, what do you think so far?
Smells.
She said it smells.
But it's still pretty, and it's still oddly peaceful, considering where we are. It only smells sometimes.
Yeah, in case you couldn't hear it, she said it only smells sometimes, and it's oddly peaceful. But yeah, let's canoe under this bridge just to the other side, and then we'll just turn around right at the edge of the bridge.
Okay. It is very peaceful out here.
It is very peaceful. And other than that other couple, there's nobody else out here. So yeah, this is 9th Street. And you can see the skyline in front of us. Yeah, we'll start turning around. How you doing?
Hi. It's good.
So far, so good. You ever canoe down here? You ever canoe down here?
Just diving, swimming.
Yeah. So if you guys aren't aware, this canal has been neglected over the years, has been polluted over the years, and it's designated a superfund site, and it's scheduled for cleaning. I believe they've done some level of cleaning up until this point, but it's by no means cleaned. It's still polluted. You still don't want to touch the water, swim in the water, but it's nice to canoe in. To the left here, you know, it looks like there might be a discharge pipe, some old construction debris. Sirens in the background. All right, so we're coming back through that tunnel. Yeah, so as we get to the other side of the tunnel, we'll see if there's an easier spot to get over that pipe. I think it looks like we might make it over right here. Yeah, I think we made it. So one thing I wanted to mention is that since this is a self-guided paddle through the Gowanus dredgers, obviously we have to abide by their rules, and they have to abide by the EPA's rules, and you know, we're only allowed to paddle in a certain area. So we're not going to experience the full canal today, but today we're getting a taste of the canal, and you know, a pretty good section of it. And but yeah, it's not going to be the full Gowanus Canal.
But don't worry, we're not going to actually taste it.
Say that again?
I said, don't worry, we're not going to actually taste it.
Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, so it's a taste of the canal, but we're not actually going to taste the canal. Don't take that literally. I got to choose my words wisely. So yeah, if you guys are in the area in Brooklyn, New York, and you want to canoe the Gowanus Canal, you know, check out the Gowanus Dredgers online, their Facebook page, Instagram. They have a whole schedule of events. They have group kayaking or group canoeing events where they actually, you know, guide you through the canal, and during those they go out to the Gowanus Bay, which is really nice. And yeah, look them up. They're a great organization, and they're really working hard to improve the Gowanus Canal. But yeah, we're just going to paddle along the seawall, and then a little bit further down to the right we're going to get to a little open, more like green, let's call it a nature area. Wind's picking up a little bit. Some construction boats here on the right side. And up ahead of us there's a few tugboats. But yeah, let's paddle straight ahead. That's what I was calling the nature area, but I do see some Canada geese up on the left-hand side. We'll see if we can go get a shot of those guys. You see them? Left side? Over near the tugboats.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Aw, they're so sweet.
Oh, and there's a couple straight ahead, or at least one straight ahead.
Oh, yeah. See the one up on the rock?
Oh yeah. Yeah, another Canada goose up on the rock. Just try not to get too close. Don't know if she has any babies around or a nest. Hey, how you doing? She looks healthy.
She does.
Looks like some floating booms just all wrapped up in the rocks over here.
We're not supposed to get too close to over here.
Another Canada goose up here on the right. It looks like that tugboat's pulling out. He's probably just going to turn around and go the other way. But yeah, he's pulling out. Let's go straight ahead to that corner back there, and we'll paddle along the shoreline over there.
Okay.
You know, the water right here looks pretty nice.
Yeah, it does.
It's less stagnant. So yeah, we're just gonna paddle up to this shoreline and then make a little right-hand turn and just parallel the shoreline. I'm not sure how deep it is here on the edge, so we'll just kind of stay 5 to 7 feet off the edge. So yeah, earlier this week I told Kelsey that I wanted to take her on a date, and I chose to take her on a canoeing date on the Gowanus Canal.
Very romantic.
Very romantic. It's kind of nice riding along the shoreline here.
It is.
Looks like it drops off pretty deep fast.
Yeah. There's a bird over there. See it?
Oh yeah. Is that a cormorant?
It might be.
Let me see if I can get a close shot with my phone. You want to turn back in? All right. We'll I'll swing this backside around and we'll get it up on our right-hand side. It was amazing. We enjoyed it.
It was really fun.
We're coming back up here to the Gowanus Dredgers canoe launch.
We got a little friend over there.
Yes. Yeah, he's our.
Is he your best friend? Yeah.
Yeah, he's been hanging out here for a while. He's pretty friendly.
Tell me your name again.
Fly away. Gary.
Gary.
Gary Francis, captain of the Gowanus Bridge.
Thank you very much.
Blame me for everything. All right, I'm gonna hold you nice and close. Grab onto the bench.
All right, guys, the Gowanus Canal was really incredible. Thank you again to the Gowanus Dredgers. I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly did, and we'll see you in the next one.